Here's a basic procedure for installing a temporary fence using a 200 by 200 by 200 mm base vertical post pipe. 1. Prepare the area. Clear the area where you intend to install the temporary fence. Make sure the ground is relatively level and free from any obstacles or debris. 2. Position the base vertical post pipe. Place the 200 by 200 by 200 mm base vertical post pipe at the desired location for the corner or end of the fence line. Ensure it's positioned upright and square to the fence line. 3. Secure the base. Depending on the base design, you may need to use stakes, screws, or other fasteners to secure the base vertical post pipe to the ground. Make sure it's firmly anchored and stable. 4. Insert the vertical post. Slide the vertical post into the base pipe until it reaches the desired height. Ensure it's straight and aligned properly. 5. Repeat for additional posts. Repeat the process for each corner or end of the fence line, as well as at regular intervals along the length of the fence. 6. Connect the fence panels. Attach the temporary fence panels to the vertical posts using appropriate connectors or fasteners. Make sure the panels are securely attached and aligned properly. 7. Stabilize the fence. Depending on the length and height of the fence, you may need to add additional stabilization, such as diagonal bracing or support stakes, to prevent it from tipping or swaying. 8. Inspect and adjust. Once the fence is fully assembled, inspect it for any loose connections or stability issues. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the fence is secure and stable. 9. Test and finalize. Give the fence a gentle shake or push to test its stability. Make any final adjustments as needed to ensure it meets your requirements. 10. Completion. Once satisfied with the installation, your temporary fence is ready for use. Remember to always prioritize safety during the installation process, especially when working with heavy materials or tools.